Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be working in my wellness planner, which is two planners. First is the Mio planner from the Happy Planner, and then the second one is a wellness layout called Listen to Your Heart. So today I pulled out a book called Mio Prep from Agenda 52, and that's what I'm going to be working with. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and are choosing to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up all of these little things in my sticker book and then just kind of put them all around so I can still make it pretty functional and write the things that I need to write. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a box to the sidebar. And I think that might be kind of fun. And then I'm gonna go ahead and play with some stickers. So I'm also using a vintage blooms from Recollections, and I'm gonna combine those. I'm not sure what inspired me to do so, but I really like both of these stickers. So the one on the left says bloom and grow, and then the one on the right says bloom where you were planted. And I'm just adding a little bit of that maroon color for the fall into my spread. So I'm adding some bright colorful salads and little trinkets of stickers that just are fun. Like all of these things that are pertaining to cooking, I'm just spreading them all around my planner. Okay, and let's add this mixer. Like, look how cool this page is. I know I pulled out a page out of a sticker book, and I normally don't do that, but it was just easier this way than keep on grabbing all those little things individually. Oh, if I haven't mentioned, this is for the week of September 12th through the 18th. So both of those planners are for the same dates. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm adding a habit tracker. And then I'm going to add some boxes that are a little bit more functional. And I can write my list of things that I want to make that week. And don't be afraid to cut your boxes too. Like, I really like these boxes because they are ombre, but I can't fit that into that box, so I'm cutting them so they do fit. So I'm adding some yellows and oranges and pinks, and I think that will work. And there's some boxes with decorations in them that I can just put in as well and balance this spread out. This book is just so great with so many things to do in it, which I love. And like even these corners, you guys will see when I place them, they look so cute when you put the plan and like noted and stuff like that. I really like it. And I like the color scheme. I think it looks great. So all of these little trinkets can be used, which is fantastic, right? Because there's plenty of books that I don't know how to use all of those stickers. I'm just gonna add another salad right there. And let's see what I can plan. So I'm just gonna put meal prep right in there. This sticker book is so great from Agenda 52. I did get it on sale a while back and I think it's fantastic. So let me go ahead and meal plan with you guys as we go. As always, I pull out my cheat sheet because it's much easier to do that when I have my cheat sheet. So on Monday, I'm gonna have overnight oats because that's super easy. Hard-boiled eggs on Tuesday. I think I'm gonna have regular oats on Wednesday. And then chickpea salad, which I really like. Greek salad on Tuesday. Greek salad is probably one of my favorite salads if done right. Then taco salad. And then let's do a little bit of dinners. So on Monday, I think I should make chicken curry, but instead of rice, I will use barley. It's just a healthier version of grains. So, and then on Tuesday, I can make goulash, which is like a European stew. Stuffed peppers with turkey and couscous, which is my favorite variation of this. Instead of rice, couscous, which is great. And then that's it for this part of the week, and we can now plan the other part of the week. So on Thursday, I think I'm going to go for a smoothie, but eggs and toast is on Saturday. So I'm gonna start with that. So I'll do like avocado toast with a fried egg or something like that. Smoothie on Thursday. Skillet. Summer Asian slaw, which I also love. I love my salads, you guys. Cobb salad, which is another great salad. And then on Saturdays and Sundays, I very rarely do a lunch. So I have tomato soup and toast. And I'm gonna do ramen with like the egg, chicken, noodles, like the whole shebang, like the fancy ramen. And then I'm gonna start cooking that bone broth early in the morning. Mediterranean turkey skillet. I think that'll be good. And then we can do tacos on Saturday because that's just easy. And then Friday morning, I can actually have bone broth for breakfast since I'm going to be cooking it for ramen. So I might start that Thursday night. Okay, and that's all I have as far as meal planning. And then I'm just gonna do some habits of kitchen cleaning, and then we'll go ahead and pop this back in and then go into my wellness planner. So let's go ahead and pull those pages out. And again, September 12th through the 18th, this planner is called Listen to Your Heart. I'm going to be using the same sticker book. So we have Agenda 52 meal plan and then vintage botanicals from Recollections. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this big meal thing, and then I can put my kind of main meals in there so I remember what they are. I know it's a little bit redundant, but sometimes it's nice to have it in more than one place, at least for me. So that's just how my brain works. And then instead of drawing bullet points like I normally do, I'm gonna add these beautiful checklists. And that's going to be my breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And I can do other stuff if I want, like, or I could split my dinner into more than one ingredient. Okay. And then here we go. That's a couple more days and we'll be done with the checklist. So I opted for this book because this is the last week of true summer and I love summer. I'm kind of sad to see it go. I know a lot of you are super excited for the fall to come in, but I'm a little bit less enthusiastic about that. I love my hot weather, and because I am in Chicago, it does get pretty brutal and cold and rainy and gross. So yep, there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and spell out end of summer. There's these beautiful letters that are adorned with flowers and they're just so pretty. I couldn't help myself. So I'm just gonna spell end of summer. And I think that's pretty good. Okay. I hope I have enough letters for this. I think I do. Yep, one more. I just need an R. And there we go. I think that looks lovely. It actually looks very lovely. So, and now I can play with some florals and add them to the bottom of that. So I can put be kind, grow with grace, stop and smell the roses. Yeah, I think that's fantastic. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a couple more stickers and I will be all set. So let's go ahead and add maybe like a grocery shop. There we go. And then I can put like the name of the store or something on this one. I think that'll be good. And I can put meal prep on weekly meals. And then I don't have too much to do. I think this looks pretty great. Let me know what you guys think. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put like these circles on the bottom of the meal tracker because that's fun. And then I need to rename those two categories that I normally rename. And I'll be all set. So I'm gonna put like eat good, feel good, what sounds good, a family fave, and then I'm gonna put one of these like circles and I'm just gonna write yum. Okay. And then I need 2 more stickers to cover up the section. So this one is my meds and my steps, not just movement. And then this is mood and sleep. And that's all I have for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.